In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to release the outer arch of your foot, and all you need to do this is to have a ball. So I'm using here a massage ball, but you can use anything of a similar size and shape. So when we're talking about the outer arch, as the name suggests, the outer side of the foot. So what I'm looking to do with this ball is to place it in the midfoot. I'm then going to keep my heel in contact with the floor, and I'm going to bring my ankle in towards the midline of my body. As I do this, the ball is going to roll through that outer arch and it will give a nice release. Now, through the outer arch, we might look to target more of the higher part of the outer arch, the mid part of the outer arch, or alternatively the lower part. So we can target all different parts of that by coming higher up on the foot and rolling out, coming to the midfoot, rolling out, and coming lower and rolling out. So if you're doing this, when you're applying pressure and you're pushing down to the floor with your foot, you can control how much resistance that you're applying when you do this technique. If you tried that one that I've just demonstrated and that's not enough, you can come into a kneeling position, which is far more abrasive. And what you can do is you can apply pressure onto the ball. You can press down with the foot to the floor. And then from here, you're just going to roll out and back in. I then reapply the pressure, roll out and back in, reapply the pressure, roll out and back in. And as I do this, I'm targeting that outer arch, coming around to the other side so you can see. So I've always got my heel in contact with the floor. I press down, creating that optimal resistance, which is nice for me. I'm looking for a 7 out of 10 in terms of discomfort when I do this, and I'm rolling out. You can do this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to roll the outer arch of your foot.